Hi, here is Ola, and in this video clip I will talk about the Maestro 7.0 integration with automation. Maestro allows multiple connection to automation system using different protocols simultaneously. This allows independent control on different video and graphic render channels, different video layers controlled by different port connections. In this video I will focus on the CII protocol. To configure CII in Maestro, we will go to Customize, Settings, and navigate to Automation tab. Use this plus button to add a new device, optionally give it a name. I will call it CII, define the type of automation device and press the configure button. In driver tab we will select the port. I am using TCP IP, charset encoding method, depends on your content, logger, the path where the log will be saved, and the log level. In Settings tab, Miscellaneous, we'll define the length of the unique ID, currently it's 8. Play item with read and update command. Select the checkbox to automatically play an item when an update command is received. Clear to update the item without playing. Signal item take finished. When selected, Maestro notifies the automation device when the execution of play event is complete. When cleared, the notification is not saved. Execute out command only for played IDs. Select this checkbox to ignore out commands that arrive for items that have not been played. When cleared, out commands are executed regardless of item status. On the queue section, we will set the time that the automation device will wait for the response to a command and define what channel status is sent to automation system. In program channel assignment section, we can define what output connects to what channel. In heartbeat section, we can set when Maestro stops responding to the automation system, and in timecode section, we can configure the player to a future time or offset. In Macros tab, you can set the name of any macro command not defined in a protocol to be triggered by the CII protocol. Okay, now the device is configured, we will press Apply and OK. And here's our CII device appeared in the bottom of the user interface. I will disconnect my render channel and go back to Settings window. And I want to go through the general automation settings. In items location, we will define location in which to save the external automation related items. This is important for the DCP protocol especially. Use prefix, we will define the path and the prefix to use when saving external items. In control section, there are several options. Connect to automation system whenever program channels are connected. I will select this checkbox, so once I will connect my render channels, the automation will be connected as well. Remove item from playlist on stop event. I'm using this option so my automation playlist is not growing. Force item reload on queue event. Select this checkbox to reload items whenever a queue command is received from the automation system. Force item focus on queue event. And the same for focus on play event. It will highlight the relevant item in rundown when play command is received from automation system. Move item to playlist and on queue event. This is the general settings. I will press Apply, OK, and connect my render buttons. Now as you can see, the CII button turned yellow, means that it is ready and is waiting for connection. Once the CII will be connected, the button will turn green. So currently I have one open rundown that I created in advance. The playlist can be controlled manually and by an automation in the same time. So now once my automation is connected, I will trigger my finger item by its UID. As you can see, the item was queued and now it is going on air. Please notice here I have some live data and Maestro CII. Now my data was updated. Now I will call for another item from my database by its UID. As you can see, a new automation rundown was created with my item 1Q that I called from the Maestro database. Once I'm playing it out, it is removed from my playlist because the settings I configured from the beginning. So we can send a content from CII updating data in certain controls, we can send macro. Thank you for watching.